where we had lunch. With that view. And there's the store in Kansui Park. We're having coffee here in Shirakawa Grove. So now it's time to explore the world again, and I'm with my first baby. We're about to land, and my first time going to Tokyo. Fortunately, dalawa lang kami sa row. We're now waiting to the plane.
Please pay your check-in baggage at...
Laki ng airport nila. Haba ng lalakarin namin. We're now on the train sa Skyline. Punta na kami ng hotel sa Malibeno. Okay, dito na kami finally sa hotel. And this is our room. Ayan si Lawrence. Hi, anak. Small but cozy. So we have 2 single beds. We have a table. Meron ding TV. My coffee maker. A little sofa, and this is the bathroom. Okay, I shifted to 0.5 so to show the bathroom. So there, yeah, and then here's the bath area. It's a good thing hiwala yung shower from the tub. Hello, Japan! Okay, lumabas pa rin kami kahit medyo late na. We were hoping open pa yung Yayoi. But unfortunately, closed na sila. So, ang next option namin ay ang Family Mart, which by the way is very convenient dun sa hotel kasi as in may direct entrance yung hotel to the Family Mart. So, we're going there now. Yan siya. So, ito kami bibili ng aming dinner. And by the way, this is the hotel. Naka-register na kami, naka-check-in na. But we're hungry. Our first day going out. Well, tanghali na actually. So, sobrang init na. Pero, ito. Ang init. Okay. Okay, dito kami ngayon sa JC Line, sa train station. Punta kaming Mount Takao. Para itong deja vu. Nagkamali kami na sakay ni Lawrence ng train. So, ngayon, lilipat kami. Pero dahil gutom na, try namin bumili from the vending machines. And look naman sa vending machine nila. O, diba? Kaya natin anong pwede namin mabili from here. Kasi gutom na. We will get stations. malapit na kami sa center where you can get either a lift or a cable car. Okay, nandito kami sa lift at wala pala siyang harang, so kailangan very careful. But yes, ito yan, at walang harang, as in wala talaga. Okay, sige. And true to the Japanese fashion, lots of vending machines. They also have I think there's a restaurant there. Yeah. I know going there wouldn't be easy, but wow, lots of steps here. Let's see if I can make it. Yes, I did it. I'm now here and continuing with our walk. How can you not marvel that they've built these structures on a mountain? I mean, we're high up in the mountain and you have all of these stairs. There are even buildings, temples. Amazing. So from wondering if we can make it to Takao to
10-year grant. Like, you don't get better.
top of Mount Takao. And we finally reached the top of Mount Takao. One good thing is nobody's here. It's just Lawrence and me. So we have the place all to ourselves. So yes, another exciting day. Riding on the wrong train, having to go back, wondering if we'll ever get to Takao Station. And now we're here at the top of Mount Takao. Come on, have a look. This is where we're hiking right now. Yeah. It's a wide enough trail. But yeah, no railings, no nothing. And so one has to be careful. My meal here. That's mackerel. Actually, busog na ako from dinner, pero yan, kakainin ko na tong blueberry yogurt And tatry ko din tong whipped cream and custard cream. Yes. So,
Sarap.
okay, ito ng itong whipped cream and custard cream. Talaga ng bread mo.
Kahit yung
Sarap bread nila.